Welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to install schema, how to install schema in Magento, and how to install data. Uh, for that we need to create the schema.php under the setup module. We have already created. Just I am explain how the code is done here. First of all, we need to create the namespace. Namespace is nothing but the path of the PHP file. Namespace name, learning is the namespace name, and the demo module is the module name, setup is the folder name. And after that we need to create the schema, install schema.php. Based on file name we are creating the install schema class. After that we need to implement install schema interface with that class. Then public method install method is there. Here we are using two things: schema setup interface and module context interface. And here using two properties, setup and context. Based on first we are calling the setup method. After that we calling new table method. Inside new table method we are giving the setup table name and adding the column name, that is the field id and name. This is the id and name. After that we are giving the type of the field, and we need to give the command item id. Then here same first of all the primary id, so we are setting the primary equal to true, which implies 2. Then we adding the name of the second field. The field name is name, and type is type text. Here we are giving the value, text value, and here nullable equal to false. After that we giving the command of the table name. I will explain what is the command. After that we are set the command, whatever saved command. After that we calling the create table method, and inside we need to passing the whatever we assigned values. At last to run the setup upgrade. Once done we need to update the setup upgrade command. Here we need to update the setup upgrade command. After that I have already done that command, so that the and I will explain install data field as well as here. This is the install data PHP. This is for schema creation. We need to install the new schema of the DB, MySQL DB. We can, with the help of this PHP file, we can able to install this install the new schema. We can add the new column name in MySQL. This is for value. We can install the value of the schema whatever we created. This is a procedure. First of all we need to create the namespace name. Namespace we are calling the setup, the path of the your module setup we are giving here, and here we are using three classes: install data interface, module context interface, module data setup interface we are using. After that here method is install method calling. After same procedure we here insert method we are calling the table name is learning demo item. Here this is the field name and this is the field value. Same like that, this is the field name, this is the field value. ID is the primary ID, it auto generated, so that here we are not mentioning the ID. Once done this we need to run the setup upgrade command. Once command is done upgraded, the DB database table is created under this is Magento 2. This is a database. Under this learning demo table is created. Under that we have inserted two values. First is name item 1, second is item 2. This is the we have whatever we created on installed. This is the install procedure. Then upgrade data, upgrade schema is there. Once same like that, we need to modify some modify or add something for the schema. We can add schema means with help of this upgrade schema file we can modify the schema. Same like that we can add upgrade with help of upgrade data we can insert some more data. Before explaining this, first I have first we need to, once we done upgrade data files, we need to modify the module.xml. Like here I am considering is if version we need to change. Now current version is 1.0. Here if version is more than 1.1, it will execute this command. Based on this condition only we are executing both the upgrade schema and upgrade data. So module.xml file, we need to change that version name 1.0.1 on saving this. Once the file is saved, meanwhile I execute this command php under Magento root directory. I am executing this command. Okay, it will take some more time. Meanwhile I explain how the php file was created. Schema.php. Same like we use the namespace. In the namespace we are giving the namespace name of our module and demo module. This is the module name. Setup is the folder name. Class is the upgrade schema. Implements upgrade schema interface. And here we are using two variables, that is schema interface and the model content interface. In that we are first we are checking whether the, based on this we can get the module version of checking whether is greater than or equal to less. Here we are adding in this table, we are adding the description field, new field we are adding. Thus field type given, after that nullable is true, it will accept the nullable value, and a command we are giving. Type is type text. After that we ending the setup. Same like that upgrade data also we are giving the description. Here using same module data setup interface and interface. Here also same condition we are checking. After that loading the learning demo item table. Inside description field I already executed. It's running. It take few more time. Right now I will explain quickly the entire folder structure now. Actually learning is the our module name. This is the Magento root folder. Here we are going to code. Under code only module, our custom module will be there. Learning is the our vendor or namespace name, and demo module is the module name. Here registration.module, in registration.module learning underscore demo module is the, this is the our module name. After that under etc module.xml file is there. This is the necessary files. Registration.php and module.xml is the necessary files for Magento modules. Same like that here, and learning underscore demo module. Learning is the vendor name and demo module is the module name. After that setup. Setup means we are a modification or insert the value in the DB. Insert the value in the DB. First of all, I am explain install schema interface. Install schema interface we are inserting the ID name field, and install data PHP we are installing the table field values, name field value item 1, name field value item 2 installing. Upgrade schema in the sense we are adding the extra column like description, one extra field or column we are adding in MySQL. Upgrade data in the sense we are upgrading the data. I have already executed setup schema interface. Here see now only two field is there. Once the command will executed, the description will be added here. Description column will be added here, and the value will be default description. Now it's executing every module. Let's see. Yeah, it's executing. Our module name is also executing. And here one more time I will reminder how to where the module setup version will be stored in Magento DB. This is the Magento database. Yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, almost is done. Our module is learning underscore demo module is already executed. Let's have done the clean catch. Just I'm typing history. If you put history, it will display the whatever command we used. This is the command for flash the catch. I'm doing the flash catch. Here we can check setup. Setup module. In setup module only, we can see our module name, learning module demo, and the version is upgraded. Then that description scheme also added. Just we can check refresh the page. Now see, null is acceptable, so id, name and description is added. Here we are not passing any value, so it's not added. This is item id, this is the command item id, and item name, item description. See here we can check, we can able to check, cross verify that one more time. This is the command description, item description. Item description, this is the command. Here this is the command. Thank you. Today we will see how to create in this video tutorial entirely. We can with help of the basic model we can create, and we can upgrade the any table. We can with help of this we can upgrade the schema, and we can add the value of that schema. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you.